Hi, this is Luke from Tyre Parts Plus. Today we have a 2014 Holden Trax, stock number 6367. It's run from the 8th 2013 in a current shape. It has a TJ 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a TJ 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 18-inch factory aluminium tyre, left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 18-inch factory aluminium tyre, left rear tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right rear tail light, right rear 18-inch factory aluminium tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door 1 scratch, right front door mirror, right front guard no dents, right front 18-inch factory aluminium tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,